Hi, in this short video, I'll let you know what's happening with FLACKBOX.com and also what's going to happen with my online courses on platforms such as Udemy moving forward. And spoiler alert, after this week, you won't be able to buy my courses for super low prices anymore. I'm taking them down from all other platforms at the end of this week. So you can still register this week, and I'll continue to support the courses. I'll continue to answer your questions, and you can get a huge discount if you buy them this week. But after this week, it's gone on Udemy and other platforms. Okay, so what's happening is that I was made an offer that I can't refuse by digitalrevolver.com. They're a new online course platform, and they're going to be partnering with all of the big IT vendors moving forward. So they're already partnering with Cisco, and you can stand by for other announcements like that coming soon as well. So I've taken a position with Digital Revolver, and as part of that, my courses are going to be hosted exclusively there. So after this week, you can't buy them anywhere else. I do still have this week where they're available though for new registrations. And if you do register this week, you are going to have access to the courses forever. And I'll also answer your questions forever in those courses as well. So looking at the courses that I've got available, I've got my NetApp Storage Cluster Data ONTAP Complete course. Moving forward after this week, that course is going to be selling for $500. I'm doing just a flash sale this week because it's the last week I can sell them. If you buy this week, then you can get that course for $100. It's the most comprehensive NetApp training that you can find anywhere, and it's got stellar reviews, 4.7 review on average. The other course I can have that you can get at a discount price this week is my CCNA course. There's lots of different CCNA courses available online. Mine is the highest rated one from student reviews. It's got a crazy high 4.9 average from over 4,000 review ratings, and you can get it for just $10 this week, but after this week, it's going to be selling for $200. Okay, so if you want to get these courses, it's your last chance to get them at this crazy low price. It's not going to be available anymore after this week. And I'll put the links to get the discount courses in the description below. Okay, with my website as well, FLACKBOX.com, that is going to be ported over to Digital Revolver in future, but for the next several months at least, it's still going to remain as it is. All the other articles that are on there right now are still going to be available as well. And if you want to get in touch with me at neil@flackbox.com, that will be permanently available too. Okay, so all of the stuff I've been giving you before, all of the free courses as well, will still be available everywhere. If you're already enrolled in any of my courses anywhere, I'm going to continue to support you and answer your questions. And if you're a new student enrolling this week, the same thing again, you still get permanent access. I'll still answer all your questions, and as always, I'm always here for you. If you have any questions, then shoot me an email, and see you on the other side.